everybody, I'm Miss Sarah from the Rose Street Art Center. Today I'm bringing to you an art piece that we're going to be making out of our Valentine's Day art kits. Now today we are going to be making Valentine's Day geometric heart prints. Now these geometric heart prints are different from regular heart prints because, as you can notice, they are geometric in shape. They use lines rather than forms and shapes and like curved shapes to make a heart. Now the materials that we're going to be using today, everyone's going to get some glitter glue. Now you might have a different color and that is perfectly okay. I've got purple here with me. We're going to need a pencil, not included in our kit, but we're still going to need one. A cup of water, some watercolors, some paintbrush, a straight edge, and a piece of white watercolor paper. All right, let's get started. All right, to get started, we are going to be using our paper. We're gonna have it, you can either have it horizontally or you can have it vertically. It does not matter which shape or size your paper is. All kinds of paper will work as long as it's watercolor paper. It doesn't matter which side you use. So first we're going to use a straight edge. Now this can be a ruler or a side of a book that you're using, and we're going to want to start making a geometric heart. Now the difference between a geometric heart and a regular heart is that there's no curved shapes, there's no circles or like the rounded corners that you normally see. We're going to make straight edge corners. So I'm going to start and take my pencil, and I'm just going to make the inside V for my heart. I'm going to draw that. I'm going to do the same for the other side. I'm going to make sure they connect in the middle. And I'm going to draw another line. I'm going to try to make this into the shape of a heart, roughly. It won't look exactly perfect, but you know, that's okay. All art isn't perfect, and there's nothing wrong. I'm going to make the last bottom V for my heart. Perfect. And you can see I've got my heart. Now it's a little crooked, but that is absolutely okay. Now after you've got that down, you're going to want to take up the space on the rest of your sheet of paper over here, and then you're going to want to start drawing lines. And you can draw lines anywhere you see fit as long as they connect to your heart. Now I'm going to make a couple more lines just to make sure I have enough spaces to put my watercolor paint in. And then I want to make lines on the inside of my heart as well. And yours might look a little something like mine, though it's okay if it doesn't. Awesome. Now, you're going to take your glitter glue, and you're going to want to draw on those lines that you just made, using your straight edge as well. You want to draw in your lines with your glitter glue. Now, this might take a while, and it might take a while for the glitter glue to dry as well. So I've actually pre-made this. I've actually pre-made and put my glitter glue down, and it's already dried. So this is what mine looks like, and yours is gonna look something like that as well once you've done it. So my glitter glue is a little bit dark, and that's okay. You might have a different color, you might have a blue or a pink, and that's absolutely fine. So because I have a darker purple, I'm gonna pick colors that complement my dark purple. So I'm gonna go with cool tones. So cool tones are gonna be blue, purple, black, brown, and those are the colors that are gonna be on the inside of my heart. So now that I've decided that, I'm gonna take my watercolors and I'm gonna start painting. Well, with watercolor, you need waters to make them work. So without water, your watercolors will not work. You wanna have a lot of water, dip it in your cool colors. So first I'm gonna go with blue. I'm gonna dip my paintbrush in my blue with some water. And then I'm gonna go in and paint my blue inside my heart. Now this can take a little bit of time, so go ahead, take your time. Now once I'm done with that, I'm gonna move on to the rest of the space inside my watercolor heart. So this time I'm gonna use another cool color. I'm gonna use purple. Now you can use whatever color you choose. You don't have to use purple. You can use, if you have, say, a green glitter glue, you can use more warmer colors. Now I'm using a lot of water with my watercolors here, so my colors are a little bit muted and very, very light, so you can't see them as much. Now, once I'm done painting the inside of my heart, as you can see, I am done. I'm gonna start painting the outside of my heart. Now that I've used cool colors on the inside, I'm gonna start using some warm colors on the outside to complement my cool colors. So warm colors, we've got red, we've got yellow, and we've got orange. I'm gonna use some yellow on the outside. And you can use whatever colors you choose fit. Yours does not have to look exactly like mine, and that is absolutely okay. So I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna fill in the rest of my colors here, and you can take your time and do that as well. Sweet, now that I'm all done, I'm going to show you the final product. Here's what yours could look like. Now it doesn't have to look exactly like mine. You see I've used more cool colors in the middle and warm colors on the outside, and you might have done the opposite of that, and that's absolutely okay. I hope you enjoyed this project. I sure did, and I'm excited to come to you with more Valentine's Day projects again in the future. Stay tuned!